bad or good aim. Ready to hear?
No, I'm not ready. Please, don't do this again. Not again. Not again. Oh my gosh. Not again. Oh my gosh. No.
She's down for the day.
I'll be back. Oh my god. Stop. Put it in the script.
He has a burp.
That was not planned. Why would you turn on the video? I mean, I guess that this is not even a mukbang anymore. The last video was a mukbang. This isn't even a mukbang. Sorry, guys. We are.
God, I left the perfect time.
We are a little discombobulated.